Hi guys, I'm Lauren Ashton, and today I wanted to do a makeover video for you guys with me doing my makeup, getting ready for one of my live videos. So, here we go. So I've already taken my little beauty blender and dampened it just a little bit because that to me makes it all the difference when I apply my foundation. So first I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting with the Naked Skin green color corrector. And I like to just take a little bit and put it on the top of one of my containers of powder. So just like a little bit. And then I'm going to mix a little bit of concealer, which is the Dermacol. This is actually formulated to cover up tattoos, but I love it for my dark circles. And then I also put just a little bit like in some problematic areas. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that, mix it like with the green a little bit. And then I'm just going to put a little bit on the side just for under my eyes. I'm not going to do a very heavy makeup look since I'm just going to be doing a live giveaway later. So this is more of like a natural makeup look that I'll be doing today. So first I'm going to take just a little bit, put it under my eyes. Sorry, I have to look down at the mirror. You can see that makes a huge difference. Okay, now I'm just going to mix this all together. I also have to be really careful because I got microbladed today on my eyebrows, and I will link that video below for you guys so you can actually see the process. It's really neat, but I cannot put anything near my brows or over my brows, so I've got to be really careful today when doing all this. Now I'm going to do just a little bit of foundation, and since I'm going with a natural look today, I'm just going to do one little drop of the Naked Skin foundation. I use the color 2.0. Just a little bit. It goes a long way. Try to get a little bit on my forehead without getting near my and I like to get my neck. So next I'm going to contour my nose just a little bit. So I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's so old. It looks so bad. I'm embarrassed to even show it. And I'm going to take this brush that I got off of Instagram. I'm not really sure the brand because they don't have the brand name on it. But I love this brush to contour my nose. So I'm going to take the darkest shade. This is the Pro Blending Brush Large 27 by Sephora. And I love to just take it and just blend it in. Nose contour can literally make someone look totally different. Like they are like a very chiseled, it's a very chiseled type of look whenever you do this, but I really like it. I think it makes a big, big difference. I just bring it up kind of near my brows. We'll put some highlighter on there in just a little bit. Might look a little bit dark right now, but I will be putting the powder over the top of this. So let's do that now. This is my MAC powder. And right before I put my powder under my eyes, I always like one more time use my little blender because it can crease under there very easily. And I'm gonna take my big brush that I got off of Instagram. This one unfortunately does not have a name. Get just a little bit. And I know I look really pale right now, but I will be putting bronzer on. I just like to do that after. So I live in downtown. If you can hear, there's some child yelling outside. Oh, the joys of living in downtown. Live downtown, they said. It'll be fun, they said. They were wrong. It's very loud down here. So now I'm gonna use my blush bar by Benefit. I absolutely love this palette. It's amazing. It smells so good. I never use this brush that comes in it, but the colors are really beautiful. And it smells like the beach. So I'm gonna use Hoola. That's the bronzer color that I'm gonna be using today. Gives it more of a sun-kissed, and it's not too warm or too orangey. I don't feel like. I really like it. Like I said, I'm not doing like filming makeup. This is more of like what I would do like on an everyday or just when I'm trying to do like a little bit more of a natural look. When I do a natural look, I like to do more of just like bronzer instead of doing blush. I will show you all a little touch of this blush just because it's so pretty. But okay, so if I'm do a little touch of blush. I'm gonna use this brush by Benefit. This is one of my favorite brushes ever. I've had it for years, but yeah, it's by Benefit. I hope they still have it so you guys can get it. So I'm gonna use Gold Rush for my blush. I hope y'all can see that. Just a little bit. Gives a little sparkle too. It has like a really pretty like highlighter kind of feature. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and do a little bit of eyeliner. I'm gonna use my Natasha Denona palette. This is the Mini Sunset palette. And I'm gonna be using Dirty Mars and Halo. So first I'm gonna use Halo. And I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This came in a kit, but it's double-sided and I love it because I always use the lighter color with this one and the darker color with this one for my liner. I'm gonna take a little bit of the lighter color. See that? All right, so you can see that's the lighter color. So now I'm gonna go in with the darker color. It's so hard to do it without making a crazy face in front of you guys. So I'm not gonna do like any regular eyeshadow just because I don't need to get that near my brows. But if I was gonna do a natural color, I'd probably just do a little bit of the Halo color. It's right here. That was the first color that I used. So usually now I would fill my brows in. I don't have to today. So I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara and then I'm gonna do some highlighter and do my lips. So let me go ahead and do my highlighter. I'm using the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. You can tell I've had it for a while. I'm gonna be using the color Santorini, Azores. These two mixed together. So first I'm just gonna take a little bit with my finger and just put a little bit on my nose. And just a little bit here. Not a lot, just a little bit. Probably on camera it'll look like a lot, but it's not. Now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and do just a little bit more for my cheeks.
Can you see the door?
You're fine. It's not gonna mess anything up if you're
coming in town, I'm gonna see.
not right there, but they can hear you.
Bailey, edit it out. Sorry, man.
No, don't edit it out. That's funny. I think it's hilarious. Okay, so that's all the highlighter that I'm gonna do like around my face. Now I'm gonna do like in the tear ducts, the corner of my eyes, which I think makes like the biggest difference on people. It's crazy. What do you think? I think it makes a big difference. Okay, so now I'm gonna do lips. And usually I would do like a setting spray, like my Limelight setting spray. But I can't do that because it'll get on my brows today. So usually I use a different lip liner, and this is really funny because when I was traveling somewhere, this sticker got on. Hourglass. I've never filmed with this one before. I like it in the color Nude. So I'm gonna use this color for my lip liner tonight. I love it because it literally is the color of my lips, so it just like enhances the color that they already are. And of course, everybody's lip color is a little bit different. Then I'm gonna use St. Laurent. This is literally my favorite of all time stuff to put on my lips. It's almost like in between a lipstick and a chapstick, like a tinted lip balm, but I love it. And they have different colors. This is the color 7. How fancy, 7. Have this in just about every color probably. Love this stuff. It's literally my favorite. I'm gonna put some mascara on. I just got a new mascara today in the mail. And this is the Perversion Bigger Blacker Batter by Urban Decay, which is the same stuff I got last time, but last time's got a little bit gunky, so we had to get some more. So because I have eyelash extensions, I only actually do some on the bottom lashes. So this is just an empty wand that I'm going to, let me move this a little closer, that I'm going to brush through my lashes with. All right, let's do a little coat on the bottom. So I'm just doing a really light coat of mascara. There we go. So this is basically my like really kind of quick go-to makeup routine, honestly. I've been using this liner a lot. I really like the liner. It's like really like summery and I just really like it and it's really easy. So of course it would look better if I got to do a little bit of eyeshadow and brows and put my setting spray on. But here it is, guys. So thanks so much for watching my first ever makeup YouTube tutorial. I'm really excited about it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.